my name is Gurpinder Kaur Sandhu. In today's free IELTS lesson, I will be talking about IELTS writing task 1 accurate data. Now behind me I have a bar graph and I am going to tell you how to describe it for IELTS writing task 1. The graph shows the percentage of smokers in England in 2010. I have depicted men in black marker and women in red, and then there is 3 age groups: ages from 20 to 30, ages from 30 to 40, and 40 plus. Now if you were to describe the graph, you can write this sentence, but there is an error in this sentence. In the age group 20 to 30, 28% of men smoked compared to 30% of women. Now we are sure about 30% of the people being women because it clearly, you can clearly see it right there. However, we cannot say for sure that 28% of men smoke. So this is the error right here. Why? Because on the graph we can see it is somewhere around 30, somewhere more than 25, but we cannot say or write for sure that it is 28%. So kindly refrain from writing a percentage that you are not sure about. It is considered inaccurate. So here is some vocabulary that you can use instead of saying 28% or using percentages that you are not sure about and getting a lower band score because of it. Now we knew that it was close to 30%, so we can use under 30, less than 30, below 30. Now these are if we know for sure it is less than 30, which we correctly were sure when it comes to the first bar graph. Just under 30, slightly under 30, almost 30, nearly 30, close to 30. Now you can use that when there is a little bit difference. Well under 30, considerably less than 30. You can use those two phrases if you want a higher band score. Now right here we can see that it is somewhere near 20 but not 20. So we can use the expressions about 20, approximately 20, more or less than 20, or around 20. So we can use these expressions when we know it is a little bit over. So right here in the age group 30 to 40, we know it is slightly over 20. So we can use these expressions: over 20, above 20, more than 20, just over 20, slightly over 20, marginally above 20, high band score, well over 20, considerably more than 20, again, high band score. Now please keep in mind to use these phrases or expressions to get a high band score when it comes to IELTS writing. The examiner is going to test you and mark you for your grammar and vocabulary when it comes to writing, along with other criteria. But please be sure to use different words and not repeat the same word again and again. That was all for today's video. Have a good day. Thank you.